The question we are solving now belongs to test series 7. It is of signals and systems subject. In specific, it belongs to LTI systems. The question is numbered 34. As per the question, there is a interconnected system which is as shown. So there are totally 4 simple LTI systems of impulse responses H1 of t, H2 of t, H3 of t and H4 of t. So in the interconnected system, first the outputs of the systems H1 and 2 get added and the resultant output is fed to a system of impulse response H3 of t, and also to the system 4 the original input is fed and the output of the fourth system is added with the output of the third system. It's given that the impulse responses of different LTI systems are H1 of t is equal to H2 of t is equal to U of t, and H3 of t is equal to delta of t minus 2, and H4 of t is equal to a power t minus 2 multiplied by U of t minus 2. We need to find the overall response of the interconnected LTI system. From the given interconnected system, we can see that the impulse response of the parallel connection of the systems 1 and 2 is given as H1 of t plus H2 of t, and as this output is fed to another system of impulse response H3 of t, so the system H1 of t plus H2 of t and the system H3 of t are in cascade. So the resultant impulse response of that branch is given as H1 of t plus H2 of t star H3 of t. Now the system with impulse response marked is in parallel with another system of impulse response H4 of t. So the resultant impulse response is H1 of t plus H2 of t star H3 of t plus H4 of t. Upon simplification, this becomes U of t, or upon substitution, this becomes U of t plus U of t star delta of t minus 2 plus a power t minus 2 multiplied by U of t minus 2. This is equal to 2 into U of t star, where star is a convolution, delta of t minus 2 plus a power t minus 2 multiplied by U of t minus 2. This can be written as 2 into U of t minus 2. This is because U of t convolved with delta of t minus a is equal to U of t minus a. Using this identity, we get U of t minus 2. This should be added with a power t minus 2 U of t minus 2. Therefore, the overall impulse response is 2 plus a power t minus 2 multiplied by U of t minus 2. So, this is the impulse response of the overall system. So, the correct option is B.